Every morning, millions wake up to an alarm they didn't set, heading into routines they didn't choose. The grind, the debt, the endless cycle. Is this what life is meant to be? What if I told you financial freedom isn't about being rich? It's about being in control, even if you have $0 or $0 in your account right now. Welcome to Wealth Not Riches, where we help you escape the trap and build true wealth. Redefining financial freedom. Let's kill the biggest myth first. Financial freedom is not about flashy cars, designer clothes, or luxury mansions. That's riches, but wealth is about having time, peace of mind, and options. It's the ability to say no when something doesn't align with your values. Wealth is picking your child up from school without rushing. It's being able to care for your parents without panic. It's sleeping without financial anxiety. That's what we're building here. A real story you can see yourself in. A few years ago, I was flat broke. Bank balance almost zero. No investments. No backup plan. Just a heart full of frustration and a mind clouded by survival mode. I didn't need $1 million. I needed a breakthrough. That breakthrough didn't come from money. It came from truth. And that truth is this: you don't need money to start. You need clarity, courage, and consistency. The Wealth Not Riches framework. There are 3 pillars to build wealth. Real wealth, starting from nothing. It's a mindset shift. Stop thinking like a consumer. Start thinking like an owner. Delay gratification. Don't chase dopamine, chase discipline. A think long term. Don't ask, can I afford it? Ask, does it build wealth? 2. Financial literacy. Know the difference between an asset and a liability. Rich people buy assets first. Learn to budget. Every naira, every dollar must have a job. Understand compound interest. It's the 8th wonder of the world. Skill monetization. Everyone has a skill. Maybe it's writing, speaking, editing, fixing things, teaching. Package that skill. Offer it online. Start for free. Build trust. Don't wait to be picked. Pick yourself. Your first step, even with $0. Take inventory. Write down everything you know, love, and are good at. List problems you can solve. Track your money. Know exactly where every coin goes. You'll be shocked where you're leaking wealth. Cut financial fat. Stop paying for things that don't grow you. Apps, subscriptions, soft drinks, wasteful habits. Start learning for free. YouTube is a university. Podcasts are classrooms. Books are mentors in print. Start serving first. Go where your audience hangs out. Facebook groups, Reddit, WhatsApp groups, forums. Offer help. Build a reputation. Execute weekly. Pick one simple habit to do every week. Start a blog, write a thread, create a video, apply for a gig. What to avoid? Quick fix schemes. If it promises fast money, it's probably fake. Ponzi schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. And social media envy. Don't compare your beginning to someone's highlight reel. Perfectionism. Done is better than perfect. Real growth is slow. But slow doesn't mean stuck. It means solid. Vision plus routine equals transformation. Your vision must be bigger than your fear. You're not just working for money, you're working for freedom. Create a morning routine. Read for 10 minutes. Write down your goals. Say 3 things you're grateful for. Just take one uncomfortable action. This will rewire your mind for success. Final words: you don't need money to begin. You need belief. Belief in your potential. Belief that your current reality is not your final destination. Join the Wealth Not Riches community at Wealth Not Riches. Subscribe, like and share. Be the spark someone else needs. Because the journey to wealth starts with one brave step. And that step? It's yours to take today.